On ENGs. This is Native Nature Outdoor Adventure, and I'm doing a video at Lavasser, and I got my friend Jerry with the dual overnighter. We're gonna camp and set up. What I'm gonna do is, where the doors are, that's the top. And we want to have the doors away from the wind, so right there. But down, so far we got. We'll zip it up in a minute, just like that. Put these down. All right, here we are. It's set up. We're done, and it's off a little bit, but it's pretty close there, Jerry. Yeah. We're all set up. We got it ready. Now we're gonna put everything in, and then get a fire going, drink some beer, and cook some food. So Bama P Niji. So that's Jerry. We got everything set up. So my man got that. He didn't get his cot yet, but we're gonna get one tomorrow. Got one on the way for him. Day late. And I got that. That'll work. And you can stand right in it and everything. And we're gonna have the fire pit. Oops. We're gonna have the fire pit down here. You can see where the chair is. You got a radio over there, cooler and stuff, and then we're gonna get everything set up and have a fire. Got some onions and potatoes with butter, and then I got a couple corns wrapped up, tin foil with the husk, so we'll be good. There's a corn that's still steaming. So we're gonna open it up.
Jerry's pouring beer on his freaking armpit.
Okay. Ooh, look at that beautiful corn over the fire.
Good.
Check it out.
Yummy. Wait till I can dive into this.
Wow, look at that, bro. Off the fire. Put that on. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to bed. I'm in bed before Jerry. Relaxed. Got the light up. Chilling. So, see you in the morning. Bama P, Nijis. It's bedtime. It's morning. Time to get up. Here we are. Get ready to take off. Here's the crook. Got everything done. Cleaned up. As you can see, that's some firewood. That was it. Our campsite's up there. No garbage. No trays. Nothing. We are out. So Bama P Nijis.